In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your arts mentor, IELTS trainer. Additionally, been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, we're also professional student visa consultants. We accept your applications for UK, Australia, Canada and America and across Europe. Lots of success stories can be found on our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore. Dear friends, my today's lecture would be about IELTS Writing Task 2 in particular, but it can also turn out to be beneficial for journal students. So it's going to be a bit boring lecture, but it will be very useful lecture if you just make notes and keep on writing everything with holding your paper and pencil. So here we start. We're going to start, first of all, this is about linkers in sentences. Linker in sentences means the linking words or phrases actually to use in your essays. I'm going to introduce all that stuff today, but I've divided this lecture in two parts. In part 1, I will introduce 4 major categories. And in the second lecture, or in upcoming lecture, I will also introduce the next 4, categories which are equally important. So what is the function and the purpose of the linking words basically? These linking words or linking phrases are used to show a relationship between ideas actually. They can be used to join 2 or more sentences or clauses. Now, the first category which I'm going to introduce would be giving a result. So the linking words in this category would be as a result, as a consequence, therefore, thus, consequently, hence, for this reason, and due to. Now, I'm going to use all these linkers in sentences, so I hope you will be noting them down for your further understanding. And if you find anything difficult, you can have a query in my comment box and I will answer you as soon as possible. The first sentence I'm going to make with the use of as a result. So, it will be like this. His wife left him, full stop. As a result, comma, he became very depressed. As a consequence now, she has lived in France, comma, and as a consequence, she speaks French fluently. Therefore, we do not have enough money, full stop. Therefore, we cannot afford to buy the new car. Thus, we do not own the building, full stop. Thus, comma, it would be impossible for us to make any major changes to it. Consequently, there has been a great deal of rain and consequently the reservoirs are full. Hence, the customer was displeased with her meal, comma, hence the chef prepared a replacement. Full stop. For this reason, comma, they are not a good choice for exterior use. Last is owing to or due to. Owing to a broken wing, comma, this bird can't fly. You're not supposed to use these contractions like can't, don't, wouldn't, shouldn't in your formal academic writing because you need to write the full forms of the words. The next category is adding information. The main linkers are additionally, in addition, furthermore, also, to, as well as that, along with, besides, in addition, moreover, in addition to this, apart from this. Now, let's see all these linkers in different examples. First of all, additionally, comma, the bus service will run on Sundays, comma, every 2 hours, full stop. Now, furthermore, he said he had not discussed the matter with her, full stop. Furthermore, comma, he had not even contacted her. Also, we are unable to repair this watch, full stop. Also, comma, this is the 4th time this has happened. 2. I love wearing earrings, full stop. I design and make them too. As well as that, we went to the park today, full stop. As well as that, comma, we did some shopping. Along with parties and parliaments, comma, elections have lost their charm. Sorry, picture. The next one is besides. I can't afford to go to the concert, full stop. Besides, comma, I don't really like classical music. The next one is in addition. You haven't paid the rent yet. In addition, your university fee remains unpaid, full stop. You will also place comma after in addition. Moreover, the report is badly presented, full stop. Moreover, comma, it contains inaccuracies. The next one is in addition to this. John's grades are terrible because he has been so lazy these days, full stop. In addition to this, comma, his relationship to his parents got worse. Apart from this paragraph, comma, the report contains a number of sensible initiatives. The next subcategory is summarizing. So let's try to see first of all what are the linkers under this head or under this category, and then we'll be using all of them in different sentences. So, for summarizing, actually, to sum up what has been previously stated, the linking words are in conclusion, to summarize, altogether, in short, to sum up, in summary, briefly, to conclude. Let's consider their examples. I hope you will be writing them down on your notebooks. In conclusion, comma, walking is a cheap, comma, safe, comma, enjoyable and readily available form of exercise, full stop. To summarize, comma, this is a clever approach to a common problem, full stop. Altogether, this food was good and we loved the music, full stop. Altogether, it was a great evening. In short, his novels belong to a great but vanished age, disappeared age, full stop. They are, comma, in short, comma, old-fashioned. To sum up, comma, there are 3 main ways of tackling the problem, blah, 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 blah. You can add their example, the certain problems here. In summary, comma, this was a disappointing performance. Briefly, comma, our team is now one of the best in the world. To conclude, comma, I want to wish you all a very happy holiday season. The next category is giving examples. Now let's see what are the main linkers under this category. Now we use all these linkers to provide examples. For example, for instance, such as, including, namely, in this case, and like. Now they are being used in certain example sentences. For example and for instance, there are many interesting places to visit in the city, comma, for example or for instance, comma, the botanical garden or the art museum. Such as, I prefer to wear casual clothes, comma, such as jeans and sweatshirts. Including Christmas Day and Boxing Day, comma, I've got a week off work. Namely, we need to concentrate on our target audience, comma, namely women aged between 20 to 30. In this case, I think I would have made a difference in this case. Like, I also make other jewelry like rings and bracelets. Like is a bit informal. It can't be used in written formal academic style of writing. It can be used in spoken. In speaking subtext, it can be used for giving examples. My dear friends, this is the first part of my lecture. Very briefly, I've used some important linkers in different categories, and I hope they would have also made the difference in your understanding. You would be using them in your writing modules, and you can also, some of them can be used in spoken English as well, and would make the difference in your speaking and writing. I hope it was a very useful lecture for you guys, and I'll see you shortly with the other part of the same lecture. You won't be missing it either. God bless you all. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.